Located in London, 1 mile from Greenwich, Homestay in Canary Wharf provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi. The units have a fully equipped kitchen with a microwave and a fridge. Greenwich Park is 1.2 miles from the Homestay, while O2 Arena is 1.3 miles away. London City Airport is 3.1 miles from the property. Tower Hamlets is a great choice for travellers interested in city trips, monuments and sightseeing. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.